Hello students, welcome all. I am back with the remaining part of my video. Just keep patience to see the video till end. At the end of the video I have added some simpler question for you to solve. Before start the chapter, have a quick recap, concentrate and have fun learning with me. The New School by Tetsuko Koreanagi is a story of a small girl who was surprised to see a school's classroom into railway coaches. She was very keen to get admitted in this school but was asked by her mother to behave mannerly in front of the headmaster to impress him to take her into this school. In my previous video, I told you about the keen interest of the girl to get admission in this school. They were off for the headmaster's office. It was not in the railroad car but is a one-story cemented building. Now the next paragraph on next page. Toto Chen let go of mother's hand and raised up the steps, then turned around abruptly. Abruptly means suddenly and unexpectedly, almost causing mother to run into her. What's the matter? Mother asked, fearing Toto Chen might have changed her mind about the school. Standing above her on the step, Toto Chen whispered to mother in all seriousness, "The man we are going to see must be a station master." Mother had plenty of patience as well as a great sense of fun. She put her face close to Toto Chen's and whispered, "Why?" Toto Chen whispered back, "You said he was the headmaster, but if he owns all these trains, he must be a station master." Mother had admit it was unusual for a school to make use of old railroad cars, but there was no time to explain. She simply said, "Why don't you ask him for you? Why don't you ask him yourself? And anyway, what about Daddy? He plays the violin and owns several violins, but that does not make our house a violin shop, does it?" "No, it does not," Toto Chen agreed, catching hold of mother's hand. Toto Chen was running to the office of headmaster, but immediately she stopped after after stepping up the stairs. She stopped, and mother was surprised. Mother was like astonished. Maybe she was surprised to see her stop. She was thinking maybe she has changed her mind about the admission. But suddenly she asked a question to her mother in a serious manner. She asked, "The man we are going to meet must be a station master." वो अपनी मम्मी से पूछती है, जिससे हम लोग मिलने जा रहे हैं, क्या वो स्टेशन मास्टर है? मदर हैड प्लेंटी ऑफ पेशेंस। मतलब वो बहुत ही पेशेंस थी उसके अंदर, मतलब धैर्य था, है ना, एज वेल एज ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ फन ना। शी पुट हर फेस क्लोज टू टोटो चेन्स एंड विस्पर, वाई। वो अपने मतलब उसने अपने माउथ को उसके टोटो चेन के कान के पास ले गई और बोला वाई, विस्पर किया। विस्पर मीन्स धीरे धीरे बोलना, विस्पर करना, मतलब धीरे धीरे कहते बहुत स्लो स्पीक करना, ठीक। तो उसने पूछा वाई। टोटो चेन विस्पर्ड बैक, उसने भी धीरे धीरे आंसर किया, "यू हैड सेड he was the headmaster, but if he owns all these trains, he must be a station master. मतलब जो स्टेशन का जो मेन हेड होता है, हाँ, वो तो स्टेशन मास्टर होता है, और ये यहाँ का मेन है, तो इसलिए ये यहाँ पर स्टेशन मास्टर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पर सब स्कूल नहीं है, ये सब यहाँ पर रेल्स हैं. Mother had to admit it was unusual for a school. मतलब it was like it was it was difficult for her to explain this fact that the क्या कहते हैं, government is using these old broken railway carriage to into schools, so that they, because this was the time of vast damage, it's a time of second world war, so they are using these things as the schools, so the children don't stop their studies. So she find her difficult to make the girl understand, so she said, she explained her in another way. So she said कि your father is a violin player, we have many violins at home, so our house is a violin shop. Is it our house a violin shop? She said no. uh, when mother and Toto Chen went in, the man in the office got up from his chair. His hair was thin on top and he had a few teeth missing, but his face was a healthy color. Although he was not very tall, he had solid shoulders and arms and was neatly dressed in rather shabby black suit. With a hasty bow, Toto Chen asked him spiritedly, what are you, a schoolmaster or a station master? Now it is described the physical appearance of the man. His hair was thin on the top. No? His few teeth were missing, but he has a healthy color on his face. मतलब वो बहुत, मतलब healthy color means कि बहुत weak और ऐसे कमज़ोर से नहीं दिख रहे थे, बहुत स्वस्थ दिख रहे थे. हेल्दी कलर था, मतलब वो पीला वाला कलर फेस नहीं था कि पेल से हो गए थे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. बहुत हेल्दी रेडिश कलर वाला फेस था. Although he was not very tall, he had a solid shoulders and arms. उसके shoulders और arms बहुत solid थे, and was neatly dressed in a shabby black suit. Shabby means old and torn. से कपड़े मतलब यूँ तो उसके कपड़े जो है पुराने थे और थोड़े से फटे हुए से भी लग रहे थे, बट ही वॉज नीटली ड्रेस्ड, मतलब बट लेकिन वो बहुत साफ सुथरे थे. With a hasty bow, Toto Chen asked him spiritedly. मतलब she was like about to ask, she has immediately asked the question, are you a schoolmaster or a station master? Mother was embarrassed, but before she had time to explain, he laughed and replied, I am the headmaster of this school. Toto Chen was delighted. Oh, I'm so glad, she said, because I want to ask you a favor. I had like to come to your school. Mother was embarrassed. Before she said she had time to explain, he laughed and replied. मतलब थोड़ा सा एम्बेरस हो जाती है मम्मी, लेकिन वो कुछ कहती है उसके पहले ही वो कह देते हैं आई एम द, मतलब जो हेड मास्टर है वो कह देते हैं आई एम द हेड मास्टर ऑफ दिस स्कूल. Toto Chen was very delighted. वो बहुत खुश हो जाती है और oh, I'm so glad, I'm very happy. Glad means happy. She said, because I want to ask you a favor. मैं आपसे एक फेवर चाहती हूँ, एक मदद चाहती हूँ. क्या फेवर चाहती हूँ? I had like to come to your school. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आपके स्कूल में आके. मतलब I want admission in your school. The headmaster offered her a chair and turned to mother. You may go home now. I want to talk to Toto Chen. ठीक है. he sent her mother immediately at home and क्या कहते हैं वो बात करना चाह रहे थे टूटू चैन से, तो he offered her a chair to sit. Tutu Chen had a moment's uneasiness, but somehow felt she would get along all right with this man. पहले तो उसको थोड़ा सा अनकम्फर्ट लगता है, बट देन शी वॉज ऑल राइट. हाँ ठीक है, आप जाइए, मैं यहाँ पर इस आदमी के साथ आई एम ऑल राइट. वेल देन आई विल लीव हर विद यू, मदर सेड ब्रेवली एंड शट द डोर बिहाइंड हर एज शी वेंट आउट. इमीडिएटली मदर चली जाती हैं. द हेड मास्टर ड्रीव ओवर अ चेयर एंड पुट इट फेसिंग टूटू चेन, and when they were both sitting down close together, he said, now then, tell me all about yourself. ठीक है, तो उसके पास बैठ जाते हैं चेयर लेके उसके एकदम सामने, और उससे पूछते हैं कि आप अपने बारे में बताओ. टेल मी एनीथिंग एट ऑल यू वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट. जो बात करना चाहती हो, जो कहना चाहती हो, एनीथिंग यू कैन स्पीक, एनीथिंग आई लाइक. Toto Chen had expected him to ask questions she would have to answer. मतलब she was expecting some questions from him कि वो कुछ questions हमसे पूछेंगे और मुझे उसके आंसर देना पड़ेगा, लाइक है ना, कुछ भी any general questions. But he said कि you can speak anything. She was surprised. When he said she could talk about anything she wanted, she was so happy then that she began straight away. It was all a bit higgledy-piggledy, unorganized. But she talked for all she was worth. She told the headmaster how fast the train went that they had come on, है ना. वो मतलब कुछ भी अनऑर्गेनाइज जो मन में आया जा रहा था वो बोले जा रहे थे. वो उसने बताती है कि वो जो ट्रेन से अभी ये लोग आए हैं वो कितनी तेज़ से चल रही थी. हाउ शी हैड आस्क्ड द टिकट कलेक्टर बट ही वुड नॉट लेट हर कीप हर टिकट. वो है ना, उसने उससे टिकट मास्टर से मांगा कि मेरी टिकट मुझे दे दो, लेकिन उसने नहीं दिया उसे रखने के लिए. हाउ प्रिटी हर होम रूम टीचर was at the other school, about the swallow's nest, about their brown dog Rocky, who could do all sort of tricks, how she used to go snip snip with the scissors inside her mouth at kindergarten, and the teacher said she must not do that because she might cut her tongue off. मतलब वो कभी कभी अपने मुंह में सीजर्स रख के उसको स्निप स्निप करती हैं, और उसके टीचर ने और किंडरगार्टन में, और उसकी टीचर ने टोल्ड हर नॉट टू डू दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग, शॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो बट शी डिड इट एनीवे, लेकिन फिर भी वो ये करती रही. हाउ शी ऑलवेज ब्लू हर नोज बिकॉज मदर स्कोल्डेड हर इफ इट वॉज रनिंग. वॉट अ गुड स्विमर डैडी वॉज, है ना. कैसे उसके पापा अच्छे स्विमर थे, उसकी नोज़ हमेशा बहती रहती थी, कैसे उसकी मम्मी उसको डांटती है. हाउ ही कुड डाइव एज वेल, वो कैसे वो खुद डाइव कर लेती हैं. शी वेंट ऑन एंड ऑन, मतलब वो बोलती ही गई बोलती ही गई. द हेड मास्टर वुड लाफ, हेड मास्टर हंसते रहे, एंड से एंड देन and Toto Chen was so happy and she kept right on talking, but finally she rang out of things to say. She sat with her mouth closed trying hard to think of something. मतलब इतना सब कुछ कहने के बाद अब वो सोच रही है अब वो क्या बताए, अब उसके पास इस समय कुछ बताने के लिए तो she closed her mouth. Thank you. Before I end up the video, I would like to ask some simple questions from you. Just give their answers and note them in your copy. This is all for today. We'll meet again in my next video. Keep watching and keep learning. Best of luck. Thanks for watching.